Okay, welcome to the video. Welcome to Dusty Lucky Blonde. Now, I'm not the only person that wanted to disconnect the phone. There's a YouTuber. I like her. I mean, there's some similar stuff to me and her. And she said when she got in trouble, she disconnected the phone. I wanted to disconnect the phone too because I got in trouble at school. I cheated on a test and I took it out on the teacher after I got caught. And I hurt the teacher's feelings. And then me wandering the halls, and the other students were trying to comfort her. I was a bad girl that day. Very bad. And not necessarily to be a bad girl is a good thing. And then my aunt comes into the school and she says, "Okay, I'm going to take you home." So we're going home? Yeah. My aunt is the greatest and she's awesome. I was mean to the teacher. And then I found out that my aunt was mean to the teacher, so I wonder where I got that from. Seriously. Sometimes the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. And she didn't even give birth to me. My mom did. So I was at the house. I had lunch. My aunt was not rewarding me for a bad deed that I did at school. I remember the principal looked at me like, "Oh my gosh, I'm in trouble." She would put the fear in you. I mean, seriously, you mess with her, boom. Seriously. I told you, grown-ups back then meant business. They gave you that look, they meant business with it. So I was at the house with my aunt, and then I forgot to disconnect the phone. And then my mom says, "Well, didn't you forget to disconnect the phone?" Oops. Because me and my cousin were back there playing Barbies. And then I got in some serious trouble. Serious. I think I got grounded. And I didn't get rewarded. I got grounded. My aunt was so nice to me that day. I didn't deserve it. And I shouldn't have cheated either. It was a spelling test. That's what it was. And I didn't study and I was being stupid. So, yeah. But when me and my cousin were playing Barbies, all of a sudden my mom comes in. "Yeah, weren't you gonna disconnect the phone?" And yeah, she was peed-o'd. Seriously, she's like, yeah, back to the punishment. And I guess that made the teacher retire. That teacher was good to me, and I don't know what snapped, and I don't know why I was so mean to her. I don't know. I apologize. I'm sorry. No, I just hurt her feelings so bad that she retired. I mean, that was no excuse for my behavior that day. None. I had the spelling test on my deal and she saw it and I started crying. I don't know. Well, that's pretty much it for that. Oh, I'll tell you about the Barbies that I was playing with, right? So, me and my cousin were playing Barbies, right? And I laid one of the Barbies out, just like you laid out. And I was like, the car was about to go over the Barbie. And then my cousin's like, no, 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 no. Why? Because the Barbie's going to die if the car goes over the Barbie. And I'm like, okay. We all do stupid stuff when we're young. I tell you that. But I had no right to treat that teacher the way I did. Maybe I just had a meltdown or something. I don't know. Because she was a much older teacher. She was a much older teacher. She, I wouldn't say senior citizen, but she looked like, yeah, I put her in retirement. I'm sorry. So sorry. So sorry. Well, that's it with that story. So let's see how we done. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen.